Good morning, everyone. Today, we have a new student joining our class. Please come in and introduce yourself.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Arga Pratama. I am 16 years old. I just moved here from Surabaya. My hobbies are playing football and listening to music. My dream is to be a sports journalist one day. Nice to meet you all, and I hope we can be good friends.
Welcome, Arga. I hope you enjoy your time here.
He looks nice, doesn't he?
Rena, stop it. He might hear you.
Arga, please take a seat next to Lisa.
Lucky you, Lisa.
Rena, please.
Hi, Lisa. Nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you too. Welcome to our class.
Welcome, Arga. You'll have fun here for sure.
Excuse me. Lisa, right?
Yes, that's right.
I'm Arga. The teacher told me to sit here.
Oh, okay. Nice to meet you, Arga.
Nice to meet you too. I'm sorry. Can I borrow your pen? I think I lost mine.
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. I'll give it back after class.
No problem.
New friend already, huh?
Be quiet, Rena. He can hear you.
Did I miss something?
No, it's nothing.
Okay, thank you for the pen, Lisa.
You're welcome.
Look, Arga joins too. Do you think he's good?
Maybe. He looks confident though.
Wow, goal! He's really good.
Yeah, not bad.
Oh, come on. You're impressed. Admit it.
I'm not. Stop teasing me.
Hey, that was fun. Do you two play football too?
Me? No way. I can't even kick straight.
I used to play with my cousins, but I'm not very good.
We can practice together someday.
Sure, but not just the two of you, okay?
Rena.
What did she say?
Nothing. Let's drink some water.
That was a good game. I didn't expect it to be this hot.
Of course, this is our daily exercise and free sauna.
Good one.
Here, I have some extra water. You can take it.
Oh, thanks, Lisa. That's very kind of you.
Wow, our new friend already got help from Lisa.
Rena, stop it. I'm just being kind.
Huh? What's wrong?
Nothing, just a small joke.
You always joke too much, Rena.
You two are funny. I think I'll like it here.
We're happy to have you here, Arga. Welcome again.
And don't forget, next week we have another sport class.
Great. I'll bring more water next time.